Hello. I hope you are all well and I hope you're all happy in these somewhat difficult times. Today, we're going to be continuing with another round of Daniel's guessing game. Okay, so firstly, before we begin this week's guessing game, I'm going to go through the answers from the last video. Okay? So, I'm going to go through them one by one so that you know what the answers were to last week's video. So, last week, question number 1 was, this thing is a vegetable. It is orange and rabbits like to eat it. Okay, rabbits like to eat it. What is it? It's an orange vegetable called a carrot. Okay, carrot. Question number 2 from last week was, this thing is an animal. It is long and thin and has no legs. It eats mice. Okay, because it has no legs, it is a snake. A snake, which makes a hissing noise. Okay, snake. Question number 3 from last week was, this thing is a big shop where you can buy all sorts of different foods. Okay, and the answer was supermarket. Okay, supermarket. It is a big shop that sells food. Question number 4 from last week was, this thing is made from flour and can be used to make sandwiches. It's a type of food, okay? And the answer to that was bread, okay? Bread, okay? Bread is made from flour and can be used to make sandwiches. Question number 5 from last week was, this thing is a musical instrument and it has black and white keys. Okay, the keys are the buttons on a piano. Okay, so this thing was piano. Okay, and the keys on a piano are black and white. The next thing was question number 6 from last week, which was, this thing is found in a house. It's a type of furniture and people sit down on them. People sit down. This is a chair, okay? You sit down on a chair. Question number 7 from last week was, this thing is an animal. It has wings but cannot fly and it lays eggs. Okay? So this was a chicken or a hen. Okay? Because chickens and hens have wings, but they don't fly. Okay, question number 8 from last week was, this is an item of clothing. You wear them on your feet. Okay? And the answer to this is shoe or shoes. Okay? You wear shoes on your feet. Okay. Question number 9 from last week was, you find lots of these things in a classroom. You use them to write on paper. The answer is pen or pencil, okay? Pen or pencil used to write, okay? Writing on paper. The last question from last week was question number 10. This type of thing is an electronic gadget, okay? Electronic gadget. You wear it on your head to listen to music, okay? You wear it over your ears to listen to music, and the answer is headphones, okay? Headphones. Headphones, or sometimes we call them earphones. The ones that go inside your ears are called earphones. Okay, So those were last week's answers. Now I'm going to go through the questions for this week. So what I want you to do is take some paper, and at the top of the paper I want you to write today's date. Okay, so for example, today for me is the 18th of April 2020. Okay, and I want you to write Daniel's guessing game. Okay, let's begin. Question number 1. This thing is made from paper and you read it. Okay, I'll say that again. It is made from paper and you read it. What is it? Question number 2. This thing is in the sky at daytime. It's a type of weather and is big, yellow, and warm. What is it? Okay, I'll repeat that. This thing is in the sky during the day. It's a type of weather and it is big, yellow, and warm. What is it? Okay, question number 3. This is an animal. It's a type of big cat and makes this noise. Roar. I'll say that again. This is an animal. It is a type of big cat and it makes this noise. Roar. Okay, question number 4. This is a type of food. It is red and round and can be found on pizza. Okay, I'll say that again. This is a type of food. It is red and round and can be found on pizza. Question number 5. This thing is a type of clothing. You wear it on your head. This thing is a type of clothing. You wear it on your head. Okay, question number 6. This is a sport that is done on snow. Okay? This is a sport that is done on snow. For this question, there are 2 possibilities, okay? 2 answers to this question. Question number 7. This is a classroom object that you use to measure centimeters and to draw lines, okay? This is a classroom object that you use to measure centimeters and draw lines. Question number 8. This is the water in which you go swimming at the beach. What's it called? I'll repeat that again. This is the water that you go swimming in at the beach. What is it called? Question number 9. This thing is an animal. It is very big and grey in colour. It has big ears. Question number 9. I'll repeat it. This thing is an animal. It is very big and grey in colour. It has big ears. And the last question, question number 10. This is a sport that you play with your feet and a ball. What's it called? I'll repeat that. This is a sport that you play with your feet and a ball. What is it? Okay, that's all of the questions from this week. I hope you enjoy answering them. And next week I will make another video with some more questions and the answers to the questions in this video as well. Okay, so I'll see you all next week. And until then, bye bye.